I'm going to show you the right way how to cough and sneeze. Achoo! There. Achoo! We cough in our cough pocket. In that way, we can prevent the germs from spreading. Bye-bye, coronavirus.